Michelle Alcantara from Sanyo Denki, Philippines. I'm a design engineer from Design Department.
I'm Mark Jeremy Ganaden from Sanyo Denki, Philippines. I'm a production engineer from Engineering Department.
I'm Jane Oliva. I work for Sanyo Denki, Philippines as Supervisor of Design Department for cooling fans. I have been a user of SOLIDWORKS for 8 years.
I'm Jason Ramirez of Sanyo Denki, Philippines, Senior Supervisor under Production Engineering Department. I'm currently working and using SOLIDWORKS for about 8 years.
Prior to SOLIDWORKS, we were using MDT in making 3D models. Design made in MDT are difficult to edit. Therefore, in the case of multiple revisions, MDT become less useful in product development projects.
During the time we were using AutoCAD, frequent errors were encountered in the design process. Some portions that were colliding were not noticed. Design assembly weight cannot be determined. 2D designing stage takes so much time. Non-technical persons cannot easily interpret the drawings during explanation. During the evaluation process, we have found out that SOLIDWORKS is user-friendly and all the needed tools are currently available in the software.
We can try changing the dimensions and see the result in part, assembly, and drawing files as quick as real time. It made 3D modeling for rapid prototypes so much faster that we can prepare multiple design proposals in a day.
We have greatly reduced our time and errors during the design process, which in the end reduced costs. New engineers can be trained for a shorter period, and with a little exposure, they can start designing various improvements for our production line. SOLIDWORKS have eliminated major errors in our design process. BOM generation is now more precise. The ready-made templates for screws and nuts and other components is plus, and thus shorten the design process.
Sanyo Denki and Computrends have been partners since year 2011. For the past 8 years, Computrends have been responsive every time I seek advice with regards to the usage of SOLIDWORKS.
Computrends has been a great partner to Sanyo Denki by providing us 3D CAD software, training of our personnel, exchange of ideas through SOLIDWORKS portal.
We have been in partnership with Computrends for 8 years. Throughout those years, not only have they provided us with the software that we need to run in our business, they also help us to achieve an efficient and systematic way of completing our designs through training.
Consistently updating with the new features of SOLIDWORKS is very helpful to our company.
They are constantly giving product updates and make sure we are satisfied with their product.
Computrends is responsive, professional, and showed genuine concern with what we are doing and check on us from time to time.